Alright, hello. Here's how to create mail match using the Microsoft Word software. So to create a mail match is that you want to send maybe a letter, an envelope, or an email to multiple recipients, and you want to create that using the Microsoft Word or any word processing software. In this case, we'll be using the Microsoft Word software. So to create mail match on Microsoft Word, first come to your toolbar and click on mailings. When you click on mailings, you select the type of match that you want to create. Here from start mail match, you can open the drop down. You see the option of creating a letter, email messages, envelopes, labels, and the rocks. So in this case, I want to create a letter that I'm going to send to multiple recipients. So I'm going to select letters. So now this is the template of the letter that I want to send to my multiple recipients. In this case, I want their first name, their surname to appear here. There are also other details that I want to see appear. I'm going to put their ski here. I'm also going to put their grade here. I'm also going to put their grading points here. So I want these details to appear for each recipient here, and that's their unique details. So I'm going to use MailMatch to achieve that, to create these multiple letters for all of my recipients. So after selecting the MailMatch type, which is letter that I want to create, I'm going to come to select recipient, and in selecting recipient, I can type a new list. This is in the case that you don't have an existing list of your recipient's details and you want to type it afresh. But if you already have an existing document, which I already do, and I'm going to show us the existing document. Here is my document. This is the details of my recipient. They have their surname, their first name, their other name, the skill, grading points, and grade. Now these headings that you have here are going to be used in creating this mail match, these letters for these different recipients. So I'm going to insert the details of my recipient in my letter. So I'm going to select that particular document. I'm going to use an existing list. So we select the document that I opened in the real time. So I have my document inside my download. So, and the title is this. So I'm going to select this. So my Excel sheet, my spreadsheet has been inserted. So I want to decide the particular sheet that you can see that inside my spreadsheet. I have sheet 1, I have different worksheets inside it. So I'm going to select which worksheet exactly I want, and that is sheet 1. That is the one containing the details of my recipient. So I select that. So my spreadsheet has been imported. Now I can begin to generate the details of my recipients from the document. So to do that, I come to insert mail match and open this. You can see that the same heading I have on my spreadsheet I also have here: surname, first name, mother name, skill, grading point, and grade. So first I need to decide where I want to insert each of these things, and here I want the first name, here I want the surname, and so others below. So let me insert first the first name. So I'm going to highlight this so that if I'm not written anything there, I'm just going to click on that particular spot. You just select a particular spot where you want your mail match to, where you want a particular field to be inserted. So I'm going to replace this one name here with the first name of my recipient. So I'll come to insert match and I click on first name. Then after that, I'll go to this other one. I want to insert my surname, so I select surname. Then I come to this grading point here, so I want to insert the grading point. I'll select grading point. Then here also I want to insert the skill. I'll come here to insert, and I'm going to insert the skill. Then I also want to insert the grade of each of my recipients, and I'm going to insert their grade. So these are the things I want my recipients to have contained in their letter. So the letter is going to tell them you are treated to inform you that you successfully completed this skill up journey program, and these details will be peculiar to each of my recipients. So once I've inserted these different fields, what I need to do next is to finish it. Now you can actually preview the result. What will be the outcome? So you come to preview here, click on preview results. So this is what is going to come up, and this is for the first person, Samuel Olawale, in basic data literacy skill. the grade is A plus and it has this grading point. Now when you go to my spreadsheet, you see that the first person is Olawale Salman, so the first name has been exchanged with the surname, with the third name Jude, basic digital literacy 4.6 and A plus grading point. So back to my letter. So you can also check for others. This is the next person, Johnson Matthew. This is the next person, Sharon Abraham. This is the next person, and so on and so forth. So I want to create the letter for each of these recipients. So I come to finish and match. I have the option of selecting edit individual document, which will create the letter of each of my recipients in different documents, different pages of Microsoft Word. Then I can also print. Printing is that I'm connecting my device to a printer and I can print directly. It will print all the documents that I select immediately. You can also send through email messages. So the option I'm going for is edit individual documents. So I select on that and I have the option of creating for all the recipients in my spreadsheet. I can also create for this particular current record. I can also create from a particular range, maybe 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to also others. But in this case, I want everything to be created, so we see. So I select all and I'm going to select OK. So my image is creating and my letters should be generated with Mail Match, and I'm going to have all the letters for my recipients. So the option I've selected, which is edit individual letter, gives me the room of editing the letter if anything I want to make, if any editing I want to make ahead of sending the letter. So I have my letters now, and the first person, Samuel Awale. When you check basic digital literacy 4.5 grading point and A plus grade, and you check for the next person, Johnson Matthew, graphic design and B grade, and so it has created for all of my recipients, starting with the first person and continuing to the very last person. So you have all the recipients on that particular list created. So I can print this letter. I can also edit the content and print and submit it to my recipient. So that is how to create a Mail Match. I hope you will be trying it out. Thank you very much.